Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust line spacing in Google Docs step by step. Proper line spacing makes documents readable and professional. First, open your Google Docs file and scroll to the text you want to format. Click and drag to select text. To select the whole document, press Ctrl+A or Command+A on Mac. Next, click the line spacing icon in the toolbar or go to Format, Line Spacing. Choose from Single, 1.5, Double, or Custom Spacing. Single is compact, double is spacious, and custom lets you set exact values. If using custom spacing, enter your preferred line and paragraph spacing, then click Apply. Review your text and adjust if needed. Pro tip: use keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+1 for single, Ctrl+2 for double, and Ctrl+5 for 1.5 spacing. And that's how to adjust line spacing in Google Docs in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.